Let's make ourselves a healthy breakfast. Right here I have 1.5 cup of almond milk, in which I'm gonna pour over 1 cup of oats. I'm just gonna give this a quick little stir. You want to add roughly quarter of a juicy red apple, nicely julienne. Yep, just like that. Wow, this green apple is so beautiful, and of course, I will be adding in a piece of it also. I'm sure that the pear will complement this amazing dish. So let's go ahead and add some pear. Let's go ahead and add a generous amount of mixed nuts and then give this a quick little stir. Fresh strawberries are always the best, but in my case, they're harder to find. So let me go ahead and use some frozen strawberries. Sweeten to taste with organic honey. Adjust recipe to your liking. If you don't have organic honey, then condensed milk will be a perfect substitute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in another one pretty soon. Goodbye.